Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. He not come to the party. Correct answer. D. Did not. Question 2. We saw a man was carrying a basket. Correct answer. A. Who. Question 3. She, her homework by the time I arrived. Correct answer. C. Had finished. Question 4. The book is the table. Correct answer. A. Under. Question 5. We to the concert last night. Correct answer. C. Went. Question 6. This chair is made wood. Correct answer. B. Of. Question 7. I want to know where she from. Correct answer. B. Comes. Question 8. He runs as fast as. Correct answer. B. He. Question 9. I have a friend. Speaks 4 languages. Correct answer. A. Who. Question 10. Please help me this box. Correct answer. A. Carry. Question 11. He has been working here. 2015. Correct answer. A. Since. Question 12. There isn't milk left in the jug. Correct answer. B. Any. Question 13. My mother is good cooking. Correct answer. B. At. Question 14. We are looking forward to you soon. Correct answer. B. Seeing. Question 15. Let's wait until he's back. Correct answer. B. Comes.